Hey, hello, this is Alexa Bigworth with Write, Publish, Sell, and I want to quickly show you how to link a book using your Amazon Author Central profile. So linking a book, just so you know what I'm talking about, hold on, is when you are able to access multiple formats of a book on Amazon. So when you go here and you see you can access the Kindle or the paperback book, those books are linked. So let's move on over to Amazon Author Central. Of course, you're going to sign in. If you have not already set up an Amazon Author Central account, it's an important account to have. So go on over to authorscentral.amazon.com. I have another video on this. If you're not subscribed to me at Write, Publish, Sell on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe. I put out tutorials all the time, and I have one that's all about how to set up your Author Central profile and how to claim your books. But specifically for linking, first of all, if your book is set up identically so that your title, all this information, description, all the things are the same, Amazon should automatically link both of those books at the same time within 72 hours it generally takes. So when you put them up, especially if they're both through KDP, they should be linked immediately. But even if you are doing Ingram Spark or other retailers are selling your books and whatnot, it should all link if the metadata is the same. But sometimes it doesn't happen, or maybe you use a specialty printer, or maybe there was a slight difference in the way you set up your ebook from your paperback book. Who knows? There could be instances where the two of these do not link together within 72 hours. When that's the case, you're going to come on over to help. You're going to go to contact us. Another situation could be if you have an older edition of a book and you want to make sure that your reviews come over. You can do this as well. So you're going to go to My Books, then you're going to put in update information about a book, I think. Oh snap, I can't remember how to get this. Hang on one second. I was in the right place. It's just update something else. And then I want to link one edition of my book to another. So it'll tell you, you know what, two editions of the same book often reference one another, blah, blah, blah. These books may also share an editorial and customer reviews. If one of your editions should be linked to another, please provide us the ASIN and the ISBN of both. So generally, I just do it by email. However, if you want to do it really, really quickly, if you're in the US, you can just put in your phone number and click call me now or call me in 5 minutes, and they will call you and you can handle it right over the phone. But I generally do the email option, and I include the information of both books. So I'll say the first book is this title and here's the ASIN and the ISBN, so that your ISBN you should know obviously without having to look too far. But if you're not sure about the ASIN, you come down to your product information and you can grab it right here, the ASIN. So you just want to give them as much information as possible, put it all in this email. Make sure you say, here's the first edition of my book, here's the second edition of my book, or here's my ebook, here's my paperback book. A paperback will not have an ASIN, just an ISBN. Lots of letters there. And then you send the email, and generally they take care of this stuff within 24 hours. So easy peasy. Hope you found that useful. Again, please subscribe to Write, Publish, Sell on YouTube. We provide all kinds of free tutorials and interviews and all kinds of great stuff for authors. And again, if you're brand new to Amazon Author Central, make sure you catch our presentation on how to set up your Author Central account and how to claim your books on it. Have a great day.